When beginners start trading, the hardest part isn't the market, it's the steps. You want to trade BTC or ETH, but first you have to sell your altcoins, convert to USDT, move funds, and then place a trade. Every extra step adds pressure. With SuperEx Index Futures, you can use your altcoins directly as margin. No selling, no converting. One less action means one less moment of doubt. Your profits and losses are settled in the same altcoin, so changes in your assets are easier to understand at a glance. For beginners, trading isn't about being aggressive. It's about keeping things simple, reducing mental stress, and staying in the game long enough to learn. That's why using altcoins as margin can actually be easier for first-time traders.